welcome back to the channel. So we're working in Tekton today, and we're working on our hardwood floors in the kitchen dining area so that we can get those base cabinets in. And as soon as those base cabinets are in, we can go ahead and have countertops come out and measure and cut and then get those installed.
Welcome to a panel. This is
The microphone. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our 3/4 inch hardwood floor, oak floor. And so we started along this wall. We had a 1/2 inch gap between the floor and the wall. Says you can do up to 1 inch, but we want it to be hidden obviously behind the baseboard eventually, so we did 1/2 inch. Gives it expansion, and you have to actually staple in, don't touch, staple in the first 2 rows. Yeah, it helps to have little helpers, huh? Don't touch. And so we had to staple in the first 2 rows of the hardwood floor. We had to cut around this bench here, this floor vent, and then from there, they're tongue and groove. So they fit in each other, and then you staple along that edge, and then you do the next row. So we've got out our laser so that we can mark our lines, make sure we're straight. So we had to cut this little strip at this corner because the first cabinet is about 5.5 inches off the corner. So that one we had to put in, but it didn't really make sense to put in like an inch strip. There was space between the wall and the floor. So we marked a line, make sure we kept our line straight, and then we just didn't fill this in because this will be behind cabinets, so you won't see it anyways. So you can see that's where our sink will eventually come in. And that's where we are right now, is working on this row. And then eventually, hopefully by the end of the day, if things move well, we'll have this whole section done with hardwood floor, because that will get us past the island and so that we can put in all our base cabinets. So that's what we're working on today. Got the underlayment, you can see girls are having fun running around on. Nice big open area that's soft to run on. And we went with this eco cork foam. It's a whole bunch of things. It's water resistant, waterproof basically, and it has sound absorptive qualities, so acoustical properties, and had really good reviews on it, and seemed like a really good underlayment. So hopefully that'll keep noise down with the hardwood floors and make them nice and comfortable to walk on, and not be too loud. So we're just moving along one board at a time until we've got this section done so we can do our cabinet. Okay, so we have done all the hardwood floor that we are planning to for today. We just needed to get enough that we were past the kitchen island and all the base cabinets so that we could get those all in place and get countertops measured. So we're not going to do all the hardwood floor. We just wanted to get as much as we needed. So as you can see, the girls are very much enjoying having a whole bunch of floor space to play on and run around with. So they're having a blast running around on the hardwood floor, which is really exciting. It was a bit of a challenge and a lot of difficult work getting the flooring in. Definitely not something I'd want to be doing every day for numerous days. So it's kind of nice that we're breaking it up and doing portions at a time. So now that we've got the hardwood floor, we're going to get our base cabinets and get them set up so that they're ready to go. So tomorrow we can start installing the base cabinets in the kitchen is our goal. So that's what we're working on right now.